bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located under the passenger side cowling. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. There are two clips securing the housing. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully apply pressure to the middle to unlock the clip. Once raised, you can pry the base out and remove the clip. Unclip the cord from the panel. Remove the cowling panel. Remove the weather shield. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Reinstall the cowling. Reinstall the cord. Reinstall the weather strip. Secure the panel with the clips by threading the base in and pushing the clip down to lock it secure. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.